Tea time. Cersei, Neiman, Donkey, read that I might time. Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. This is called Tea Time with Lady Let's. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today, guys, I am gonna prepare one of my favorite protein. Yes, chicken foot, as you may see. So I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare my chicken foot. Let's get right into it. So let's get into it. So I cut the nails off. You have to clean up your chicken foot before. You don't want the nails in it. I don't know if anybody eat chicken foot like that, but that's not how we do it here in Jamaica. This video is for the person who had asked me how to prepare their chicken foot. You can use it in soup, or you can use it curry chicken foot or brown stew chicken foot with broad bean. So I said, let me make a video because I don't know if that person will come across my video any day. So I said, I want them to see it. You know yourself. So what I do next, I just cut it in off like so, and I oftentimes split this part here open. Yes, so that's how I just cut them up like that in half. So I'm gonna go off camera now and rinse my chicken foot off with some vinegar and water. Rinse. It is time to add my seasoning. So first I'm gonna add some black pepper to my chicken foot. After the black pepper, I'm gonna add some salt, my garlic, chopped garlic. No fancy way of chopping them up or dicing them. I just cut them up. Yeah, simple. Then I'm gonna add my curry powder because I'm gonna do some curry chicken, but I don't know if I mentioned that before. So then I'm gonna have some browning because whenever I'm doing curry chicken or curry anything, I always put my browning in it because I don't like when it's white. I like to do it. You can write it down in the comment section if you add browning to your curry, but this is just my way. As I said before, I'm just telling you guys or showing you guys how I make my curry chicken foot. So this is the way I prepare my curry chicken foot. I had the browning to it. Yeah. Then what I do, I always put a cover over my. This is the reason why I use this container. Because what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna shake. So after time, just shake, shaking all my combine everything that I don't have to put my finger in it, my hands in it or anything. Shake it. let it stay for a little while and wait. Still need to shake a little bit more. Let it stay for a little while and marinate. Okay, guys. So I'll be back with the next step. Everything to soak into that chicken foot. Before I do anything else, I have a special ingredients that I have to put in to my curry chicken. Anybody can guess what this special ingredients is? It's my pepper. So you know that we in Jamaica we love pepper. Like yeah, we love hot pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and so forth, so on. So this is how it looks now. Don't mind the color yet. It looks pretty now. I don't know. And don't mind the color. You're not seeing a lot of curry in it yet because we're still burn the curry. Alright, so let's go over to that step. Place the oil in the pressure pot. Allow it to hot for a little while because you have to let the oil hot before you pour the curry powder in. There. Add my curry powder to the oil, to the hot oil, and I'm gonna allow it to burn for a little while. I want you guys to see the color. Yes, to let it burn. Now I'm gonna add my curry chicken foot to this. What I'm gonna do next, is some hot water, hot water onto this now. So it's not yet time to reveal how the chicken foot looks, but it's soon time. So I know it's dark now. That's how it's supposed to look until the reveal. Okay. So please stay tuned for the reveal. Okay. Stay tuned for the reveal. So allow it to pressure for 8 minutes. So for the next step, what we're gonna add to the curry chicken foot is some carrots, onions, escallions, Irish potato, and some shocho. So the vegetables that I'm gonna add to my curry chicken foot. So let's go over to that. Yes, guys, so I add all the vegetables in. So sometimes I'll use like pimento seed in it also, and yes, I also place thyme in it also. Looking really good, smells really good, tastes really good also. It's almost time for the reveal. I can't wait to show you guys. No, it's not brown stew chicken. It doesn't look brown to me. So I allow the vegetables to cook, not too soft, a little bit crunchy, so that I can enjoy it. It's ready now. So as you may see, I'm serving it with white rice, and the chicken turned out really fine. My husband is over there eating, almost finished already, leave me. And so I used some peppermint leaf to garnish. Yeah, it's coming along good, and I know it tastes good. Make sure that your carrots is well done. It's not too soft. Crunchy and nice, the vegetables. Everything should be crunchy and nice, okay? Better my time. Give me a
better my time. Give me a
So because I had the brown into it, it's giving it that nice color. Yes, guys. It's time for me to go and eat now. Forget to share, like, subscribe, and to leave a comment. God bless you.